Every single day, 274 million aspirin tablets are swallowed around the world. It might be the most important medicine ever created. But the story of who actually invented it, that story was rewritten by the Nazis, and Bayer has never corrected it. In 1896, Karl Duisberg, Bayer's managing director, hired a brilliant chemist named Arthur Eichengrün. He made him the very first head of pharmaceutical research. That meant every drug project at Bayer went through him. Eichengrün had an idea. Sodium salicylate was the standard painkiller, but it destroyed your stomach. He believed acetylsalicylic acid could work without the side effects. So he assigned a junior chemist named Felix Hoffmann to synthesize it. Hoffmann did the chemistry. He didn't know what the compound was for. When the compound was ready, Eichengrün brought it to Heinrich Dresser. Bayer's head of pharmacology, Dresser rejected it immediately. He said it would weaken the heart. The real reason Dresser was collecting royalties from a different drug he was promoting. That drug was heroin. Eichengrün refused to give up. He tested the drug on himself first. Then he secretly supplied it to a colleague in Berlin, who gave it to doctors at major hospitals. The clinical results were extraordinary. When the data reached Bayer's leadership, Dresser was overruled. On March 6, 1899, Bayer launched aspirin. It became the best-selling drug in history almost overnight. Eichengrün had 47 patents. He went on to invent fireproof film, injection molding, and the standard treatment for gonorrhea. He left Bayer in 1908 and built his own company. Then came 1933. The Nazis took power. In 1934, a German encyclopedia suddenly credited the invention of aspirin to Felix Hoffmann, the Aryan chemist. No company document before 1934 had ever mentioned Hoffmann as the inventor. Not one. In 1941, Eichengrün visited the German Museum in Munich. Inside, he found a display case filled with white crystals. The inscription read, "Aspirin, inventors, Dresser and Hoffmann." His name was gone, but there was another sign at the main entrance. It said non-Aryans were forbidden from entering the building. In 1943, at the age of 76, Eichengrün was arrested for failing to include the name Israel in a letter, a name the Nazis forced all Jewish men to use. He spent 4 months in prison. Then, in 1944, he was deported to Theresienstadt concentration camp. He was 76 years old. From inside the camp, Eichengrün typed a letter to Bayer. He listed every contribution he had made, including the invention of aspirin. He asked them to intervene. Bayer never responded. After liberation, Eichengrün published one last paper in December 1949. He called it 50 Years of Aspirin. It was his final attempt to tell the truth. Arthur Eichengrün died that same month. He was 82 years old. In the year 2000, a researcher named Walter Sneader examined every archive, every patent, every company record. He found 0 documents before 1934 that credited Hoffmann. His conclusion, published in the British Medical Journal, was clear. Eichengrün was telling the truth. Bayer's response, they denied it. As of today, Bayer has never acknowledged Arthur Eichengrün. 100 billion tablets a year. None carry his name, should they?